as I stated at the beginning, the objectives, I want to make 2 friends. I want to see if I can meet somebody in Ohio, and then I want to see if which I did already earlier, even though I went into Alabama, that an Ohio person was in Alabama. So I'm going to actually see if I can talk to somebody in Ohio. So let me make a QSO real quick. KC0QVT monitoring Ohio statewide. Anybody copy?
KC0QVT, this is KD8DLT. How you doing today, Ron?
Look at that. Hey, David, this is, KD8DLT. I'm doing great, man. I'm enjoying myself. I'm making a lot of new friends. I'm showing people how to program their radios. I'm having a great workshop. How you doing, my friend?
I'm doing well. I'm sitting here enjoying your live stream, trying to learn something new every day, and working hard to stay warm.
Well, we all have that problem unless you're in Southern California or Florida right now. But yeah, I'm glad you chimed in. Anyway, I wanted to meet. So you are in Ohio right now?
Yeah, I'm in Cleveland proper.
Oh, wow. You're in Cleveland. Can't probably talk to you about the Bengals then, huh?
Go ahead. I don't care. I'll never see the Browns in the Super Bowl.
Well, we hope we see the Chiefs in the Super Bowl again. But yeah, anyway, this is a pretty cool thing that you responded to. And I built up a code plug here. I'm testing it with folks in Ohio. I'm going to try here in a moment to go to California. But it's been a pleasure meeting you. And I'd like to send you a QSL card if that's okay with you, my friend. I got one right here. I'll put your name on it and get that over to you if that's okay. Over.
Hi, that sounds great, Ron. Thanks a lot. And you have fun there with your live stream. KD8DLT 73s, Ron.
KD8DLT, this is KC0QVT clear. Okay, so now what I'm going to do to free up the resource is I'm going to click on the disconnect, hopefully. It looks like N6UFZ is, and then N2HJC is coming in on, I don't know if there's another guy coming in, KO4LVZ. See if I can't get a disconnect in here, but we're pretty busy. Whoops, I don't want to do that. I want to disconnect. Okay, I should hear a not linked if it went right.
Not linked.
Yeah, okay. So now my hotspot is unlinked from the network, or it's actually connected to the network, but it's unlinked from that talk group right now. So now I'm going to step over to I'm just going to show you real quick, the Papa Chat, okay? So let's see if somebody's over there. KC0QVT monitoring Papa Chat. Anybody copy?
Hey. KC, this is Karen 6 Bravo Romeo. Hold on 1 second. I was doing a QSO of SDM right now. Give me about another minute, sir. This is KN6 Bravo Romeo.
Copy that, my friend. KN6SBR. This is Ron, KC0QVT. I'll stand by. Anyway, he's going to jump back in a minute. Well, now John's there.
Go ahead, QVT. This is KN6 Bravo Romeo. Jason's the name out here in Redlands in Southern California. Mike in the group, yeah, Jason, we can figure this out later. It ain't no big deal. It sounds like we got some traffic, and let other people come in. We'll figure that out on that app later. So let's turn it back over to Jason.
Hey, Jason, this is Ron KN6SBR. Thanks for the comeback. I won't keep you, my friend. I just wanted to say hello and just, make a QSO real quick. I see you're in Southern California. You wouldn't have to be a Rams fan, would you?
Hey, go Rams, for sure. Yes, sir. How's it going, sir?
There you go. I'm going to disconnect. That way we can keep talking. So I'll get the not linked.
Not linked.
Okay. Okay. That's it. That is it. That is I made 2 friends, one in Ohio and one in Southern California. And my hope here was to show you guys that there is a big world out there for you. And if you jump into DMR, it's can start this journey for you in, making new friends, learning a new technology, and who knows where it's going to go for you. And so I put this out here in the show notes. Where do you go from here? Well, you need to get a radio and a hotspot if you don't already have one, and you start your journey and you continue to learn. Okay, just keep a positive attitude. I mean, the rabbit hole is deep. I mean, I got some links here, but we have a YouTube channel here at Bridgecom where we show you all kinds of ways to work with your radio. I've got several live streams we've done in the past where we go over technology and show you how to do various tasks like import talk group lists, create contact lists, how to send SMS text messaging, how to connect to other networks. I mean, it's vast. We also do a weekly live stream every Wednesday at 11 a.m. Central Time. Now, I know there's some confusion about whether it was Central Daylight or CDT or CST. Right now, it doesn't matter, but at 11 a.m. Central Time, we go live and we have generally about a 1-hour conversation on some particular topic to help you guys be successful. We also have a Facebook group page for the Bridgecom where there's a lot of folks in there that are getting help. We're helping them. I've got a team of people that are working that. So the opportunity to be successful is great.